Hello and welcome to my channel, Free Spanish Lessons, and that's what it's all about. I will be recording video lessons for you where I will be explaining Spanish language, how it works, vocabulary, grammar, helping you with conversation, helping you with understanding, helping you with everything you need to know in order to become fluent in Spanish. And I'm assuming, I hope I'm not wrong, but I'm assuming that's what you want, that's what you need, and you've come to the right place. So one more time, it's called Free Spanish Lessons. Please subscribe. You can always unsubscribe if you don't like my style of teaching, if you're not finding these lessons useful. And if you want to help me make this channel even better or make the lessons even better, please, any ideas, suggestions, even criticism, because I know, especially at the beginning, there's going to be a lot of, things that can be tweaked later on. So if you notice anything, please feel free to get in touch at contact@polka-spanish.com. Okay, that's where the uniform, that's why the uniform polka-Spanish. So again, welcome. Thank you for being here, for landing on my channel. And again, if you are learning Spanish, do stick around. These lessons start from the very beginning. So I'm starting with very easy things, the sort of beginner's level. And as time goes on, there's going to be more and more, let's say, advanced things to learn and for me to teach you. Okay, have a great time and I hope to see you again. Bye-bye.